Hello children, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids for the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 29, Spot the Differences. Spot the Differences from Art and Activity Skill Book. Now have a look to our worksheet. Spot the differences. Spot the 5 differences between these two pictures. These are two pictures, but they are different from each other. They are different from each other, and we find out this spot of differences. First of all, tell me one different and this. There is a dog and here is a children. First, now find out the second difference. This, circle this. Another third one. This. Another. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is left. Find out another difference. This, kite. Circle this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete it fast. I hope you enjoyed and find out the differences. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.